Hey guys, it's Tori from Monogram Moments, and today I'm going to show you all how to make mock-ups using Canva. So I am at canva.com. They also do have an app that you could use if you like using your phone more than your computer. I also did another tutorial where I use Silhouette Studio, but this is going to be an alternative to using Silhouette Studio. So I've gone to canva.com and I'm going to click create a design, and I'm going to select start with an image. This way I'm not going to have any white area around it because it's going to be my image exactly. And I'm going to select edit image. So now it's perfectly around this design. Then you will see, if you go over here to uploads, all of my uploads that I've used before are here. So if you wanted to, say you wanted to do this on your phone, when you pulled Canva up on your phone by using the app, all of these same uploads will be accessible on your phone. So some of these pictures I have here have come from my camera roll from my iPhone, some have come from my computer. So it's easy to go back and forth between the two, which is why I really like Canva. So I've already pulled in my mock-up that I want to use, which is available on my website, and here's the design, which is also on my website, and you can see it's loading over here. So now I can use it on the app as well. So I'm going to size that down. Let's add some text for a name. And I am going to change the font. So you might need to tell your customers that, this isn't a font that you have available to use since you are using Canva, but it's good just to get an idea of what it'll look like with a name on there. Okay, so that is good. I'm going to drag this down. And there we go. Okay, so now I want to add my logo to this. So I've got my logo saved on my laptop, but I also have it already saved here. So again, if I'm on my phone or I don't have it on my laptop for whatever reason, I can just drag it right there and use it. Okay, so there's that. Now, a lot of designers, myself included, like for you to put a watermark on top of this design so people can't rip it off. So there's a few ways you can do this. You can Control-C, Control-V. We'll create another one like this, and then we're going to go to Filter and select Grayscale. Now we're going to come over here to the transparency and drop this down so it's just barely noticeable, but enough that someone's not going to rip this off. And you're done. So if you like the way this looks, you can go to download and then select either PNG or JPEG. I'm not going to do this yet because I do want to show you one more thing. Say, for example, you are posting this somewhere where you can't use a business name and you have to put your name. You can just type out your name, and we're going to do the same thing that we did for my logo. I'm going to make this black, and then we're going to drop the opacity down, and then I can bring it up here. And there we go. So this was, I'm going to undo this, get my logo and stuff back. Okay, so if I'm happy with this, I'm going to go ahead and whichever one you want to do for whatever reason, select download. And there's my mockup. So it's really great, really good tool. Both of these are really easy ways for you to get a mock-up out to your customers. It'll increase your sales, and it just makes you look more professional. So hopefully this was helpful. Again, you can use Canva on the computer or on the app on your phone. It's really handy. And if you have any questions, just leave them below. Be sure to check out our website and join our Facebook group, monogrammoments.com, and I will see you guys later.